Isang libro tungkol sa pambihirang koleksyon ng mga alahas ang inilunsad sa Ayala Museum. Yan ang Alahas Philippine Heritage Jewelry Book. Ang author ng libro ay ang jewelry preservationist at self-taught designer na si Maria Angelica Santos Bermejo. Ang Alahas Philippine Heritage Jewelry Book ay naglalaman ng mga kwento tungkol sa mga alahas galing sa iba't ibang panahon. Mula noong pre-Spanish colonial era, nakatakdang i-donate ang ilang kopya ng libro sa ilang educational institution at library.
We are hoping to find the elusive identity, but actually, it's always been within us. And that's what Alahas, the book, is hoping to achieve, no? Just to awaken us, the Filipino people, into believing that what we have, the richness that we have before, is within us. And that's up to us now to share.